It's been wonderful to be able to use my nursing background to support the American Red Cross.
I'm in my first year of nursing school, and I'm very proud to be a volunteer of the American Red Cross during that journey.
The most meaningful thing to me at the Red Cross is collaboration with all of the volunteers and the staff, and being able to bring compassionate care to all the people that we serve.
I get to work with amazing other volunteers, and we get to work with clients to alleviate their suffering, sometimes on the worst days of their life.
And working with disaster relief services is a part of my life's mission, being a nurse.
I've been a nurse for 30 years, and I now support the chief nurse of the Red Cross on the Federal Nursing Service Council.
I'm a nurse by day, but for the American Red Cross, I volunteer to bring in other nurses and healthcare professionals, including my own children who are now volunteers.
So I'm a registered nurse. I deploy mostly in mass care and disaster health services.
I volunteer as a blood donor ambassador.
I volunteer with the American Red Cross as a regional nurse lead.
Supporting the Red Cross in vulnerable community work that has to do with health, hunger, and housing.
In addition, I support the service to the armed forces, where I teach basic life support and team steps.
And with our Service to Armed Forces program, I have an opportunity to offer resiliency workshops to military personnel and their family members, including their children.
I serve in volunteer medical screening and doing eligibility during blood drives.
I try to answer any questions they may have, and then after their donation process, I help with refreshments, help them schedule another appointment.
Why do I volunteer with Red Cross? I meet the most wonderful people.
The thing I like best about volunteering is helping others.
As a nurse, you really have to learn how to connect and listen to people, and you do work with such a wide variety of people here that I think it's a wonderful skill to be able to learn while you're in school.
I get to work with such an amazing group of other volunteers and Red Cross staff in helping meet the needs of our clients wherever they might be.